Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable dark mode on the Shein app in 2025. Enabling dark mode can help reduce eye strain and improve your overall shopping experience. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, open the Shein app on your mobile device and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the in-app registration process. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page where you can access various settings and options. Scroll down to the settings section and tap on the display settings option. In the display settings menu, you will find the theme option, which allows you to switch between light and dark modes. Tap on the theme option and select dark mode from the available choices. The app will automatically switch to dark mode and you will see the changes reflected on your screen. You can also schedule the dark mode to turn on and off automatically at specific times of the day. To do this, go back to the display settings menu and look for the schedule theme option. Here you can set the start and end times for the dark mode and the app will automatically switch between light and dark modes according to your schedule. Enabling dark mode on the Shein app is a simple process that can enhance your shopping experience. By following these steps, you can easily switch to dark mode and enjoy browsing and shopping on the app with reduced eye strain. Remember to explore other settings and options on the app to customize your experience and get the most out of your shopping time.